Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 44 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link here and take out a subscription for this wonderful, wonderful Partwork. Right, in the magazine today, we've got Ma Parker from the TV show. Great Batman comics is Poison Ivy. Oh dear. Infrared goggles. You then got Batman Year by Year, is from 1978. I remember that cover art. Some more there, Year by Year, through the Detective Comics series. I love the artwork, I really do. I mean, that's a classic image of the Joker there, isn't there? This is from the Detective Comics. We've then got our car parts. We're going to be rebuilding the resonators for the exhaust system. There you go, folks. So there you go, the left and right resonators. And then that's what we're going to end up with. We're going to end up with a pair of them in the spares box, ready to add to the chassis at a later stage. So it's nice and simple today. We like nice and simple. Right, folks, we need our BP screws, which are all just here, and our screwdriver of screwdriverness. So let's put a bigger tip on, like so. Right, and it is asking us for 44A, which is that one. Okay, and it's then telling us to put the pipe through the middle section like so, that way up, so that it goes and locks on that peg. So that's what we're going to do, folks. Put that in place, start the screw off, then you can release the pressure and then screw that fully in, folks, okay? Let's do it that way around, Colt. There you go. Nice and tight. And then put the top half of the cover on, just like so, okay? And that is secured in place with the next two BP screws. Let's spin that up that way. I'll grab a pair of those, which is just there, and we'll put that together. Usual, little bit of oil, and get that in situ. And then these will attach to the car through the frame into these mounts just there, okay? So they'll be going on at a later stage, folks, these resonators. But for the moment, we can get them put together and we can put them into their safe storage. And I tend to keep one of the delivery boxes with all the small parts in it, like the screens, the wheel covers, things like that. These will go in there, and I'll keep them in one of the bags just to stop them scratching each other. So that's one of them done. We need to do the same now on the other side. Let's grab our first BP screw. Whack a bit of oil on it, just like so. And get the centre part of that in place so that we can put that screw in. Just like so. There you go. Same process. Screw it fully home. And that's that done. We've then got this cover to go over the end there, like so, with a hole in the middle. And then we can put the final two screws in situ, folks. Let's bring them in. The usual bit of oil on them, just to help the screw go into the plastic. There you go, straight in. Nice resounding thud there when they engage, isn't it? like that. And then do the same on that one. Bit of oil. Pink. And bung that into place. There you go. Now that is both of those resonators done now. Like so. So that's what you're going to end up with, folks. And they'll then go with this and a little wheel hub into the parts bag, ready for safekeeping. And yeah, they'll be ready for attaching to the model at a later stage, folks. So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to this link all the way along there. That'll take you to the Fanhome website where you can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale model. Also, to help me out, you can just click little festa just there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Helps me grow my channel. I'll be immensely grateful. Also, whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring, select all, and that will let you know of upcoming content on the channel. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.